welcome back to another adventure video with Rochielin. Today we're going to be looking at some hidden gems in Jamaica. It's my first time and I'm here with First View Excursions along with some other content creators who you will meet a little later on. We just got to White River, which happens to be one of the longest rivers here in Jamaica, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that. But we just got to this very beautiful place and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm about to cross the river, so here what you do. Just keep watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me at Rochielin, and let's get into the video. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh, did I tell you? It's raining. Listen, all the time.
Believe you. Because this is warm river water.
This is cold.
This is warm river water.
So we're going across the. Hold on, I said the deep. Oh, some shorts. Wait, I need to pull up this some more. I'm wearing tights, and we're going through the river. And I had pulled it up, but clearly it's still gonna get wet. So I'm going in anyway. So good thing is that I brought proper shoes. Janelle, wave and say hi. Hey! We're gonna get wet. Oh my gosh. Carrot. You did? What? Oh my god, the whole of me was no. Can never tell me if we wear batty rider.
You never say river, you said river.
Yeah, but we never know, so we're ready for go in the river.
Yes, I said we're going to go on a trail to go to the river.
Oh. I mean, I have swimsuit under this, you know.
It's all about the experience. So the rain was falling, or the rain is falling a little bit, but we're still making it work. We had an awesome day planned, a lot of different locations, but let's do this.
So we just came out of the river and we're going through this. We're going through the bushes, but I must say, sounds so peaceful and tranquil, like you can hear the sounds of the rivers as they crash against the rocks and as it flows downstream, and it just sounds so good. Like, I love these kinds of excursions. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. Wow.
No finish, alright.
So guys, as I mentioned, I'm here with Kirk from First View Excursions. I don't know if you remember him. He was with me and the Maroon videos to Portland, Moortown. And also Kirk has been the one behind some of these very fun adventures. So I'm going to encourage you to check out his page if you wanted adventures here in Jamaica. So tell us where we are.
We are at White River. Today, road trip, but then Mother Nature kind of think she was messing up the flow, but we're making it work for us.
We're making it work.
So we're at a little section of White River right now, just enjoying everything. Can see everybody.
So actually, we just came like along a trail. How did you find this trail? Let's get.
Alright, so I was just driving past one day because it's really off the main road. Somewhere
Literally
off somewhere
the
that you
main
probably
road.
pass enough time.
And don't even realize that it's there.
But I saw
What's
the
the name of
trail.
the road?
Oh, what's the name of the road? It is Exchange Road. No.
A road.
It's a main it's a road.
I'll put the name
It's
in
a
the
road.
thing.
But yeah, so I actually just saw the trail one morning driving into Ocharius.
Yeah.
I decided to stop and like, oh, let me see where it goes. And to my surprise, it led to this.
This beautiful spot. So I'm excited to go in the river. We're gonna go take a swim right now. Kirk, he just knows how to find these spots. It's an off the beaten path spot. It's White River, which is one of the longest rivers here in Jamaica, and it's a river that's oftentimes used for rafting or river tubing or things of that nature. So it's clear, the water is very clear, which is said to how it even got its name to be White River. And I'm just super excited to go in. The water a little bit chilly, but you know it's river water, so it's to be expected. We're gonna go swim now, but we have a few more stops. So today is just an exploration day. Right now we named Dora the Explorer. It's an exploration day. We're gonna go around to different spots and find all these different hidden gems. And for you, those of you who are, you know, in the diaspora, or those of you who are in Jamaica or wherever you are and you are looking to explore Jamaica but not go to the traditional tourist spots, these spots that we'll be going to today would definitely suit you, you know. So just keep watching so that you can see where exactly we end up, and I promise it's gonna be a good day and I'm excited. Rain is coming down, but I wanted to introduce you to Janelle from Simply Local Life. Well, you guys have seen her before, but
A few times.
yeah,
Once or twice.
right? But I'll leave her details in the description bar below, so check her out. She also goes on adventures and take you along with her here in Jamaica. She has a blog page, so you know how I do the video. You can go and read what she does. And she does some amazing posts, so
Thank you.
check her out. How are you liking it so far?
Great.
Talk.
Despite the rain,
The
but
water not cold.
for river water, no. It's cold for Rochielin, but for river water, this is fine.
This is fine,
This is fine. I've been in much worse.
Are you cold?
No. I didn't dunk it.
So it's just
All these things.
you're gonna dunk. You're
I'm
gonna go in.
No,
Yeah, he's gonna go in.
I'm gonna go in at the next spot.
I'm gonna actually find my spot. I have a spot right here.
Watch that go. Step on it over there. Oh my gosh. So we just left the first spot, the first stop, and now we're heading to the second stop, which is Pleasure Beach. So I'll show you guys in a bit. So we're now at Pleasure Cove Beach here in St. Ann, and it's still raining. It's been raining all morning actually, and it seems like it's gonna stop raining at about 1 based on the Google weather's prediction. So we're hoping that it's gonna stop. It's now 10:30. So we're just here to regroup, get some food, chill out. It's very nice. This specific trip I'm on, as I said, it's done by Kirk from First View Excursion, and it's usually done in a group setting, so it's actually a group of us that are here. You'd have met Janelle from Simply Local Life already, and there are other creators here, and then just regular people. It's actually a good way to go on trips, having company to go with and meeting new people and making new friends and having new experiences. Because sometimes, you know, you want to go with your friend telling them can't afford it, or them not have the time and them not have all of this. No, they already have people that are willing to go on these adventures, and we get to go with them, so that's kind of cool. But the sea's rough, guys. It's rough. The sea is rough. Over there, there's a swing. So you can get to swing. And then there's the food section over there, which is where I'm heading because your girl is starving. But it's raining. Let's go inside. So guys, it stopped raining. The skies are clearing. The sun is coming out. It's getting warm. And the sea has calmed down. And it's so beautiful. Look! Oh my god! Oh my god! Just think about what it looked like earlier. I'm just like, wow. It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Yeah. Look at these two over there taking photos. So we're still going. We literally just stopped by the side of the road to get a photo by the signs. On this side it says St. Anne, on the other side it says St. Mary because we're bordering St. Anne and St. Mary, and we're gonna get a quick photo. And it's still drizzling. And look, if you look down just by off the side of the road, you'll see the river.
Yeah, this is where I went rafting along here.
You went rafting?
Yeah, the St. Mary's sign is right here.
Yeah, it is.
I'm not talking about it up there. And it goes
all the way down.
Steps.
So,
Nice food.
I love it. We're on to the next stop, and it's actually a food stop now. We're at Miss T's getting food, and I just ordered some saltfish fritters or Stamp and Go. The other name.
Y'all need to edit that.
No, I'm leaving it. Stamp and Go saltfish fritters, same thing. You know, if you don't know what saltfish is, it's codfish. Little Miss Pretty thing over there.
So I'm having curry goat with gungo rice and peas and a little bit of chutney on the side and some steamed vegetables.
What kind of chutney?
Let me taste it and tell you.
Probably mango.
Mango.
Oh.
These are real good. The goat, I met and pet this more. I'm joking. That's a lie. That is a lie. Typical Sunday dinner in Jamaica. We tend to go all out because, you know, we love our belly, to be honest, and the food, like our ground provisions, everything is good. So I'm really looking forward to digging in. And I need some scotch bonnet pepper, and then we're good.
I mean, you can't have curry goat without scotch bonnet pepper.
just saying.
It just doesn't work.
I'm just
It
saying.
just doesn't work, right?
Oh, that looks
An appetizer here.
How do you get your
What is this?
Vegan chocolate.
vegan chocolate cake?
Nice, vegan chocolate.
Vegan.
We
Completely
just got a
vegan.
dish, compliments of the owner, and it's a
Green
vegan.
So it's not on the menu as yet. This is something that she's just
Exclusive.
created.
Yeah.
So this is the first time anybody outside of her kitchen will be tasting it.
We're still here at Miss T's, and we just received a dish, compliments of the owner, and it's a vegan oxtail dish that's made with green jackfruit, and we're about to try it. I'm excited. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. You know, oxtail is red meat, but this is green meat jackfruit. So this is it. It does look like
Oh my gosh,
oxtail.
this guys.
It really does.
I tell you, say it looks like a science experiment. No, you're gonna
Yeah.
So this is a jackfruit that's supposed to act as the oxtail. Look, it look like oxtail too. Look at that.
Hold on, it's one piece of jackfruit. If it's so, don't eat the whole thing, you know.
No man, but it's not sure. So it look like oxtail.
How you know in the moment you don't realize that, oh wait, there's no more jackfruit.
No, there's more. There's more. There's more. All right.
It smells like it. Tastes like it. Gosh, I mean, I think too long, you know.
So I think they almost get the texture. Like it's very close to it. It's not it, but it's close.
Maybe that's what it is.
Yeah, and it wants seasoned down a little more. Like it tastes like oxtail.
Okay.
You know, like, but it's close, but it's not quite it.
Alright.
You know, a little bit more, man. No, you know, you need to pressure it down a little more, add a little more things, a little more butter beans. I don't know, but it's a good attempt. It's a very good attempt. I'm gonna have to attempt this at home too. I'm gonna try it and let you guys know. You know.
Mix up a little bit of everything. I get what you're saying in terms of the oxtail texture
it's almost there, but
and
it's
the
not
flavor. But it tastes like meat. It definitely tastes like meat. I would not guess this is jackfruit.
Yeah.
They don't get the flavor yet, so that's probably what she said. She going to tweak, but she said it's not perfect.
Yeah.
But it's definitely getting there.
Definitely, yeah.
It's a good vegan option.
Yeah.
So you see, it kind of pulls apart similar to meat. You see, similar. So. Okay, so texture-wise, I get there's a chew, but it's not the same chew as you would get with meat. But I think it can do with a little more tomato paste, like a teaspoon or so of tomato paste, and a little more spice and shigana leaves.
So we're heading to another location.
Make sure you wash your stick here.
Where's Stephanie?
Where are we going now, guys? Alright, so this is very steep.
Yeah.
Right.
Motherfed River. We're going to the river.
We can hear it. You hear it down there, guys? And we're walking up to the river. We can literally hear it down there. Sounds so good. I'm excited about this one. I don't think I'm gonna go into the river this time, but I'm gonna just stay on the river banking. But we don't know, we'll see. For these trails, you need proper shoes. It's very slippery if you're ever gonna be coming, and it's just to walk sideways.
So when you walk sideways,
So we're gonna be walking sideways now.
you have this foot to kind of use as anchor.
Yeah, always try to walk there.
Still going. Any recent sprains, don't do this. Any foot problem, back problem, this one is not for you. It's quite a bit of a trek, but it's not that bad, to be honest. But guys, we're almost there, and I'm looking out and it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I love this. We are now here. We're at Motherfed River, which is a part of White River, which is one of the longest rivers here in Jamaica, as I mentioned before. We went to another river earlier, but this is another section of it in this community that's seemingly called Motherfed. But it's so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. The party. So this is another off the beaten path hidden gem here in Jamaica that I'd encourage you guys to come and check out. I'll try to leave some form of directions in the description bar below, and if I'm unable to really direct it because it's really up in the bushes, definitely check out Kirk's page, First View Excursion. he does these tours, curated tours for couples, for solo travelers, for groups, that you can come on and come to places like these. It's really nice, really tranquil. It's just amazing, really. Just being outside in nature and being in the water, and it's clear water where you can see the bottom of the river. It's so good. So, and the water is cold but refreshingly cold. You know, them water when you go in you feel good. Now I'm not a cold water kind of person, but I like it, and it's a good, I think it's a good place because it has some form of greenery and like flat space. You could possibly come here for like a picnic with your friends or with your family, and you picnic and go to the river, or you could even cook on the side of the river. You know, that's the beauty about here. You can have a full day's worth of chilling and vibing here, and you still have a river. So I like that, and I like that Jamaica has these kind of spaces, and it's free of charge. Free of charge. Free of charge. It's just a matter of knowing where to go, and I'm so happy that I'm able to showcase these places so that you guys can get out and go out and do things. Too much time we lock up in the house and we complain about different things, and life hard and life rough and price high and all of these things. But sometimes we just have to go out and go and enjoy ourselves and, you know, wash away some of the stresses that we have, even in the moment, and just relax and remember that, you know, we have life, so we still have to be grateful, and we have this land to us and water bodies in and around Jamaica for us at our disposal. So use it. I'm encouraging my local people to use it. I'm encouraging my diaspora people to use it, and I'm encouraging the tourists to use it. You know, no matter where you are, even if you're not in Jamaica, find those spots in your country, in wherever you are. Go out and explore and go out and enjoy yourself and live life. We already see what the pandemic do. We already see what this war doing. We already see all these things to complain about in life, and they're bad. They're really bad. So when we can find something that's good, let's embrace it. Let's keep encouraging it, and let's just do it, and so we can have somewhat of a fulfilling life. Alright, my encouragement to you, get up and go out and do things. You guys know the Rochielin mantra. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And that simply means like, get up and go. Let's not sit around and complain all the time about everything that could possibly go bad or that's going bad. Let's get up and go and create experiences and memories that we can look back on, and things that we can remember. Let's go and do it. It won't happen if you don't make the efforts to do it. If you don't do it, it won't happen. So let's go and go to the places that we've always wanted to go. Go do the things we've always wanted to do. Go meet the people we've always wanted to meet. You know, let's just do it, and let's not sit and have life pass us by and then we complain about not doing it. Let's go. All right, family. It's cold, but it's refreshingly cold, and I'm happy I did. You guys should definitely come check out this river when you get a chance. So guys, we're at the 5th stop for today. Technically, I believe it's the 5th stop. It's another river. It's another off the beaten path river. But before we get to the river, we're gonna go see some turtles. So we're walking through the community. And as you can see, we're still in rural parts of Jamaica. We're actually in St. Mary. And we're just walking through, heading to the turtles now and then to the river. So I'm excited to see, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
So hi guys, my name is Alanda Grant, alright, and welcome to Stewart Mountain. And I'd like to invite you to my home, this beautiful house right here, nature. And as you can see, this is a natural, we call it a pond. This was created long time ago, but it still exists now. And this pond runs from this area straight down to the beautiful river. Alright, this pond has fish, crayfish, we have a little shrimp, and turtles, and also frogs. Yes? Frogs, you know? So if you make your way up, I can show you a better view of the swamp and the turtles inside. Let's draw them out.
What are you throwing?
So I'm giving them some rice. Turtles basically eat scraps from the kitchen. Alright?
Can we go closer?
Or it might scare them.
They're gonna be scared, but I'm trying to dry them out. There's like a really lot inside.
Is there a lot of turtles?
Yeah, see they come?
No.
They come slowly.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, yeah. I see one over there.
In the night time, they tend to come on the land. Yeah.
Oh, so they're nocturnal.
Them smell rice.
Yeah, so them. Oh, is that a frog? Like in front of him, or is that smaller turtle?
The smaller one.
Okay.
Turtle.
I never seen a shell.
I don't know if it's capturing them.
You know, I'm thinking like when you have a long day, or even before you start your day, and you just come and you just feed the turtles. Look out and wow. Just
They tend to
stress
come
relief.
out. It's like when it's almost nighttime. Yeah, they just come out a lot. Just swimming about, sit there and.
So you're a chef at where?
I'm a chef for 10 years. Professional chef. Yeah, I now work at an estate called the Cedars Estate. Yes. Yeah, I'm the executive chef there.
What's your specialty?
My specialty is vegan, vegetarian. Yes. So that's my specialty. I try to cook food from the farm, fresh, to your plate.
Nice.
So that's my specialty.
Nice.
Yes, I'm Instagram.
Oh yes, make me write it down.
Alando Chris Grant.
What plant is this?
This
Is it water lily?
it
Or
is.
is it, what is it?
All right, we call it cocoa. We have the cocoa, and we call the other one dung cane. So it's dung cane.
Okay.
That's how I know it as. Is it? So it's like it has a cane. If you look at the stem of
The
it,
stem looks
look like a cane,
sugar cane.
like a cane, but it's not. It's like cocoa.
Okay,
it's
everybody
really
look this
scratch.
way.
The turtle's gone. I'm trying to find them.
This is exactly it. Like it's always on the water. You can get and just.
Where?
Gone under there, so.
The turtle went to hide. You want to throw some more rice?
Wait.
Yeah. Disappeared. The turtles disappeared, fam. They're trying to hide from us.
I feel like that must be some sort of good. I got it. Oh, you don't need more than that, man.
Look at him eating the bread.
I don't see.
I'm eating these coconuts.
They are big. Them huge.
What under?
My God. There's a difference between who a chef chops jelly versus somebody else.
True.
I'm like sure move. You know.
Yeah,
Cause.
Hello.
Hello.
It's well afternoon. Good afternoon.
Here.
How are you?
The big one there.
Almana struggle.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Okay.
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 Nice.
The one down there? No.
What did you plant today?
Pak choy and
Nice. And Kalaloo?
Nice. Did you reap anything today? Did you reap anything today?
Did you?
Just plant, okay.
Sorry, Rush. Matic.
What that?
Yes.
Okay,
The farm.
Oh,
will
this up?
do.
if you need green planting, I can supply you too.
Nice.
Very good.
Sounds great.
Where should I?
Nice.
It's sweet.
Same here. How you make fresh pasta?
And there's a lot of stuff that you can take a picture and say, wow.
You definitely need to come
Come
on
and
this
take.
excursion. Some of this jelly, coconut, natural coconut jelly. It's really good. We're about to cut it open now like this
Yes.
and get the
Oh, you going to chop it?
out of it.
There your birds.
And it's just you and the crocodile.
Yeah. And
You know, someone can chop jelly for you at daytime.
You know, my dear,
Yeah.
girl, I get that every day. You can't get rest though.
Ooh. Dang it. Yeah. Is that right? Yeah, I gotta take more, right? Is there more? Mm-hmm.
my lips feel big from the bip. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get